All right, so got off the 3rd Street Promenade. Now we're walking over towards the beach. Again, all we're gonna do is walk for a little bit and we're just gonna count out potential clients. Okay, I'm literally crossing the bridge right now, or crossing the street right now. What do we have here? Boom, 1. All we're doing is walking, y'all. Beautiful out here, isn't it? Beautiful out here. People need a place to live. Chances are they can't afford the rent out here. And as we teach you guys to do in the Gold Course, provide housing for people. It's really simple. So, beach looks awesome, but here we go, you know? So you're gonna see everything out here. You're gonna see people jogging, enjoying their days. You're gonna see a lot of foreigners, a lot of people traveling. But if we start doing our counting again, y'all, we've already counted 1, 2. So, you know, we just want to kind of evaluate everything. We want to look around. You guys are walking with me, right? You're walking with me. You're seeing everything. You're seeing it all. All I'm doing is just walking down the street. That's all I'm doing. Just walking down the road, and we're seeing everything. So everybody out there, all I just did was walk the street, and we just saw, what, you guys can count it on your own, probably 7 or 8 people in a matter of 3 minutes. So if you have half a brain and you can go put a lease down on a property and you have a business card, you walk up to every single one of those people and you say, hey, if you need a place to live, give me a call. It's very passive. It's not even hard. But look, I'm walking over here again, guys. Look, here's another one. This guy needs a place to live. Okay? This lady right here, she needs a place to live. This guy right here, he needs a place to live. This guy right here, he needs a place to live. We've counted no less than probably 12, 13 people in the last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Come on, guys. I've been telling you about this golden opportunity for the last 5, 6, 7 years. You guys know it's out there. It's not just here in California. It is everywhere. You guys all know I'm out of Texas, okay? The problem's not this bad, but we've got the same problem in Texas, okay? And these people need help. Do you want to help them out? I don't live here. I don't have a property here. I can't go up to this guy and give him a card, but he needs a place to live, okay? All I'm doing is walking. 1, 2, 3. We're just walking around. That's all we're doing. I am walking down the street. I've been walking along the beach for exactly 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And we just filled up an entire group home. Every single one of these people gets $1,000 a month. Okay? That is the hidden little secret. They're all making money, every last one of them. I don't know who's here, but that's their belongings. Guarantee you they need a place to live. Probably needs a place to live right here. Okay? Probably gets SSI and SSDI. It's just the way it goes. Okay? There's the pier, Santa Monica Pier, beautiful area. Here we go. So, you guys, you really got to understand there's a huge opportunity. There's a huge opportunity here. Whether you're in the poor areas, whether you're in the nice areas. Right now, I'm just on vacation. I'm in a nice area, and I'm walking down the road, and we probably just filled up 2 group homes. Okay? So, hope this message finds you well. Hope you guys see the demand. It's out there. There are so many people out there that need a place to live. So, hope this message finds you well. Happy New Year 2020. Let's do it.